Hello friends, welcome to Automation Anomaly, and in this tutorial video we are going to start with zipfile module. So uh, if you are downloading some files, some images from internet, it is going to be downloaded in zip file most of the time. So if you want to unzip it without use of any software and by using Python, yes, definitely we can do it, and it is very easy. So for example, here I have opened a GitHub repository of Cascade files. So if you want to download this repository, then when you want to download it, it is giving you the option of download the zip file. If you don't want to clone it, if you want to clone it, you can directly copy this link and you can clone it. But if you want to download this one in zip file, then we can download it. And if you want to unzip it and you want to access the file inside that folder, then how can we do it? So today we're gonna try to do it, and here I have also opened up the documentation of the zip file. So again I will put the link in the description below. So we are not going to cover all of these functions, but I'm going to cover a few of the functions. For example, this one is if you want to make a zip file. So first of all we are going to learn how we can make the zip file, and then we are going to learn how can we unzip it, or how can we extract the files from the zip file. So first thing first, let's import the library. So let's import zip file, and if you run it, now we have imported our library. So uh, also in my last tutorial I have explained you the concept of OS and globe module. So today we are going to use the OS module. So if you haven't watched my last tutorial video, then please go and watch it first, because today we are going to use the OS module also along with zip file. And I'll put the link in the description below, so you guys can go and refer these modules. So first of all I want to check my current working directory, so I can use get current working directory function of OS module. So I am inside desktop YouTube and important Python library. So I'm at here desktop YouTube important Python library, and I have some files here. Let me delete this one first of all. Okay, so I have some files from our last tutorials and I want to zip it. I want to make a zip file of this all of the files. So how I can do it? So first of all I have to go inside this working directory. So that's why we are using the OS module. So we have to first of all give it the path name. So let's go to properties and copy this one. Now I can paste it here, and be careful guys, this we have to use as a forward slash, as I have mentioned in my previous tutorial. And now inside new folder I want to get access of this some useless file. So there are two ways: directly I can give the name here, or I can join the path also. So let us join the path. So my files is equal to os dot path dot join. So we want to join two paths, and we have to give two arguments. One is path and one is the folder name. So okay, so if I print my files, so okay, I'm inside my some useless file folder. Now I can access all of the files, and you can check by using list dir also my files. Okay, and let me change my current working directory to this one. Right now I'm at the desktop YouTube inside this important folder, and I want to go inside this my files path. So for that, os.change directory, and here I have to just pass the my files. Okay, so now if I check my current working directory, oh sorry, okay, so yes, I have successfully changed my directory. So now I'm inside my some useless file folder, and I have several files that I want to make a zip file. So to make a zip file, we have to use with zip file, that is the library name, and we want to access the zip file. Pay attention to the capital letters. and if I press shift tab, I have to pass two arguments. So first one is file and second one is mode. So don't worry about this one as of now, and you can read the documentation here also. So what name I want to give to my file, for example, zip folder, and my mode is going to be write mode because I am gonna make a zip file as my zip. Now my zip dot write. So now which file I want to use in my zip file folder, so I have to pass all the arguments here, the name of all of the documents that I want to convert into zip file. So let me take some of this one. So for example, I have taken two, and if we go inside, okay, sorry, here I have forgot to give the extension, that's why. Yes, so now I can delete this one. My bad. Here we have to pass the extension also .zip file. So now we have successfully created our first zip file folder. So here I had some files, and with the use of zip file function, I have copied some files into my zip folder. So this is how we can make a zip file. Okay, likewise, if I want to extract all the files from our zip file folder, then also we can do it, and it is very similar. So with zip file dot zip file, and here we have to pass the name of the zip file. So this is my zip file. Now since I'm going to extract all of the file from our zip folder, so I have to use the read mode as zip file. Now if you want to check uh, the files inside our zip folder, then we can print it. So for that, zip file dot name list, and it gives the two name. So these two files are inside our this folder, the zip folder, and if I want to extract all of them, then for that we have to use the extract all function. So extract all, and here I have to give the name of the folder. So I will give zip folder. I know I can come up with some better name, but it's okay. So if I go here and see, now I have this folder, unzipped folder, and if I go inside this one, I have the same two files. So it is very easy. Now what if you want to download this file, and you want to clone these, you want to download this GitHub repository. So for that, go here and download zip, right click, and copy the link address. For this one, we are going to use again a new library. It's a request. So I think it's requests. Yes, it's requests. So now I can give the name eqts request dot get. So here I have to give the URL name. So our URL is this one. If I run this one, okay, so yes, it went and it checked like is it exist or not, this link. So okay, so now to get the access of this file, we have to write down the two lines of code. So with open data.zip, so that is the name of the folder that I want to give. And now I want to download this one, I want to write this one, and since I'm taking from internet, it is having some byte information, that's why I'm using the mode write byte. B stands for byte mode as f, and now f dot write r dot content. Okay, so now we are inside this file, and now we want to download as the normal file. So see, now I have the zip file. Now if I want to download this one and as unzip file, then let's copy this one, and here I have to use the same name. So let me change this one, and again I'm going to read it, so let's not change this one, and let me create a new folder. So cascade, okay. So if I run this one, it will take some time because it was downloading and it was unzipping it. So here I have my har cascade folder. Inside my har cascade, see, I have downloaded all of these har cascade files. So as you can see, it is very easy, and by using this function here, I have downloaded the zip file. So first of all, we download the zip file and then we unzip it, and we made a har cascade folder. So I hope this should be easy, and this is going to be very useful. And definitely this is useful because in my next tutorial, I'm going to make har cascade classifier, and we are going to detect the face. We are going to use our webcam, and we are going to try to detect the faces, and we are going to load some images, and in that one also we'll try to detect the face. So that's why I have particularly chosen this GitHub repository, and that's why this zip file module is very important. And beside that, OS module is very important, and this we are going to access these modules we are going to use in our image classifier tutorial also. So see you guys next time. Stay safe, stay healthy, enjoy your weekends. Have a great day, guys.